everybody, it's Sam Malay here from Sam Malay Tech, and I shall be unboxing the Nokia 7.1.
All the opinions are my own. My mum paid with it with her own funds. I've never had association with Nokia, HMD, or JB Hi-Fi where we got the phone, and I've also never been sponsored for any technology video. So let's continue on with the unboxing, and yeah. It's an Android phone running Android 8.1, which can be upgraded to Android 9, which I did on day one with the phone.
So yeah, let's hit away and do the unboxing. Here's the product. I'm gonna unbox it. I need something to cut with. I'll just hack away at the tape. Mum got it for about $350 for the phone, which I think is reasonable for the price. It's got a Snapdragon 635. You can get it in 3 gigs of RAM, which is this model, or 4 gigs of RAM. We've got 3. 32, which is this model, or 64. You can get it in a blue colour or a steel colour, which we've got, and other colours overseas. So yeah. Alright. It's running Android 1, meaning think of a Google Pixel, but with third-party hardware and a different camera app, and maybe their own help or forum app. And maybe if it's like a Xiaomi phone, they have their own remote app because it's got an IR blaster, but no bloat or useful stuff. There's the phone. Nice looking phone. It looks a lot like my dad's. The only difference is it's grey instead of black. We got grey, but my mum wanted a light colour phone. We are going to put a case, but she's like, I want a white phone. I'm like, okay, the lightest colour they sell at the store. And she's like, alright, which doesn't look bad. So Nokia. Are Nokia good phones? Yes, if you get an Android 1 device with Snapdragon 600 series or higher. I've got a 430 on my Nokia 5, so no. But yes. Now that feels like a nice phone. I know this case we got earlier didn't fit, so no. Anyway, let's power. Oh, the SIM card ejector tool, which I will do a bit later. It's also doubled up as a micro SD card slot. Let's power on Android 1. Whilst in the unboxing, we've got SIM card ejector tool. Always been the same one. All Nokia phones. You can use a paper clip if it's small enough. Oh, the startup sound. I like the old one from the first ever Android phones from Nokia. SIM card ejector tool. Manual which no one reads. Warranty info. Now the charger. It's running USB Type-C, meaning you've got a powerful enough Type-C plug you can use. So Nokia power brick. It's Type A brick, if you're wondering. Terrible earplugs, which look even worse than my father's on his Nokia 7 Plus. They look garbage. Mum's got some better ones from her Huawei tablet I'll make her use, but they're better quality and got more functions. And you've got USB Type-C to Type A cable. there you go. So that's the unboxing of the Nokia 7.1, which is in my hand right here. I'm Sam. Thank you for watching, and see ya.